uyabona ukuthi kuzodala lokushisa focus estate mama sathe hi boom uthi uyaphendula ingene yaselokishini naye ithi hi boom maro hi boom wakhona unabo age of unnecessary uhayi no age or extra no boom no age mawufunda ngathi hayi mara ozela uzokhoneka umntana abantu uzophatha uboy kumena ukuthi ufuna uzoshesha ubani uye ukakhuluma nomuntu asesabapini ngathi udlala itennis bathumele WhatsApp ithi gcina ufika la ukuthi what are you wearing on a state it's typing it's I'm currently wearing pajamas but I sleep naked utshela kushini what are you wearing ngakafundi WhatsApp nge voice yomnikazi wefoni elokishini umuntu what are you wearing ibuyi WhatsApp yakhuluma isikhathi sakho screen yena uthe ulala naked indoda yamabele ithi really athi yes uthi let me see athi you sure ama-WhatsApp sokudabula bhaleke athi you sure uthi yes bese uzola amantombazane sasifuna ukuthi izinja kanjani athi can I see your face lalelani lazinja niyazi ukuthi manitshela indoda inuthi nisuke nifunani kodwa yikho inuthi yendoda yebibelele esethi so basically uzenza ngihlale ngoBhayibheli ngoba sifokisa kuzothi ibibeli ikhuluma nokuthi awubone usitele kade yini kube manje phezulu ukuthi ngizamela wena uthi mfumu livuke uthathe ifoni uthi khakha and before too many stops ubheka kuqala mnikazi wakho yathi ubheka ipipla lakho boy ingachazi se uzifika sana sibenzo wathumela mawusaliko shetha lepipla lakho esabaphinda bakuthumela ama-question mark ayi-3 awubaboni ke ama-question mark akhuluma nakuthi lindi ipipi phela wathula udilitele sithombe sokuqala ufake isandla uqale phansi livuke boy thatha ifoni phansi ulishuthe ngoba ningalaleli yabona nedakelwa mawuthi khakha uthi uyalibheka ubheka uWhatsApp boy amasimba kanjani uthi silent WhatsApp ithi what T ithi 2T ithi blue ngenhliziyo uthi people are tennis benidlala noWhatsApp ayisele mantombazane nithatha isipili sokudlala nepipa engasele uthulile nepipa labani sekumele kuqale phansi lokuthi hey fake yonke into wow oh shit umuntu athule nepipa uzilula next week Friday May 29 mhlanganisile namajesi nekuba uship awuthi uyangena esikebheni noma bangathi mawuthi uyabheka ziyawa ufolini no-fresh bayazwisa uyabona kukhulunywa ngayo mara uzwa lamantombazane mawuthi uyozidlulisa umngane boyi wathi yini jomu beze bathi